Hey guys, welcome to my Penny Go Boom. This is going to be yet another technical analysis here on VIIC, Vision Industries Corp. I really wasn't going to do a video on this stock today, but enough people have been messaging me and just really asking me to do one for them. So here it is. So we're looking at the 1 day. So right now, this chart right here, we're looking at the 1 day candles. So each one of these represents 1 day of price action. Now, again, some of the positive things here. Remember, people, this thing has been moving up for literally 11 straight trading days. That's 2 weeks, and then a day. We've been going up, okay? As that's been happening, you can see that the price has been riding on or above, on this upper Bollinger Band. When the price is rising and is on this upper Bollinger Band, plus or minus a little bit, the stock is typically in good health. Now, in Pennyland, another thing that's positive to look at is when you see big moves like this, you see a lot of stocks that just dump off the next day. This stock has not been doing that, so don't freak out in that sense. This stock's been actually, it's been moving up, kind of consolidating, going down a little bit, then it goes back up. So as you know, as long as the bulls, can stay in control of this game, things may tend to be okay. But you have to educate yourself with whether you believe in charts or not. That's up to you. But if you look, not to pat myself on the back, it's really just showing you the power of charts. My past couple of videos have been pretty dead on the money as far as, where the support levels were and, what was happening. Again, not me, just the power of charts. So let's see, this candle, let's go back to yesterday's action. So yesterday, we had a massive move up. We knew that coming up to this line right here, this red one, this would be the 200-day simple moving average. A lot of times when not just this stock in general, a lot of times when in big boards or anything, when a stock approaches this line, many times traders like to take some profits here because it's kind of an unknown area. If we can break above this 200-day simple moving average and hold above it, great. But a lot of some other times the stock comes down below this line because it acts as such a big resistance at this point until it becomes a support. So we needed to draw some of the supports on the way down just to know where's some of the bigger strength here. So coming down, we had some right here at 0302, okay? And we have one here at 02, let's call it 02, 03, 2. And then this one right here, 02, 05. Now, today, the stock opened up, basically right at this support. Just basically right at it, and it came down. And as you can see, let me zoom in here for you guys. The stock, when it came down, it did break this, the support here at 02, 02, 02, 05. Again, it's pretty close right now, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. But you might be asking, why is this such a big support? Well, because you can see here a lot of this line across here on some of the other days on the stock, right here was kind of where it was stopping and going. A lot of people are holding the stock right here. So going forward into tomorrow, you might be asking yourself, okay, whoa, I'm sweating bullets because I expect the stock to go up every single day because I get greedy and, oh my God, I'm freaking out. We have 2 days of red. Oh my God. Guys, again, we've had a massive move. Massive move. Please get that through your heads. So, again, you should be making some money along the way. But going forward into tomorrow, one of the big support that we need to be looking at is going to be right here, 0175. That's plus or minus just a little bit, but 0175. If you really want, if you want to be a stickler for it, let's just call 0107. And you might be asking, why is that? Well, it's because you can see here on some of these other prior days when the stock came down, this price kind of it pushed back up above it. See right here on this day, the stock stayed above that 0175 line. This day, it dropped down, but guess what? The support pushed it right back up, and we actually closed up on that day. On this day, the stock came down, and look where it came down to. Oh my gosh, it's rocket science right here, right at the support line. And the next day, this was Monday, I believe. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, yeah, Monday. Oh my gosh, look where the line ends, right at the 0175 line. Wednesday, oh my gosh, it happened again. Oh my gosh, everyone's manipulating the stock. No, this is a support. This is a support. Please, people, please get that, understand that. So going into tomorrow, I'll ask you guys a question. You can answer this yourself. What's the support for tomorrow that needs to be held so that the bulls can maintain confidence in the stock? I'm not even gonna say the answer, because if you don't understand what the support is for tomorrow by now, you should not be trading in the OTC, in my opinion. So let's look at some of the other positive things here. This is this green line. This is the 5-day simple moving average. Okay, this purple line, this is the 10-day simple moving average. A lot of times when the 5 simple moving average is above the 10, this indicates a short to midterm uptrend. Case in point. Okay, so as long as we can keep this 5 above this 10, things are going to be okay, in my opinion. So now let's look at the MACD. The MACD, sure, it's not leaping off the chart like before, but guess what? We're still above the 0 line, guys. This is still okay. This chart looks good. This MACD is still healthy. Sure, it's curling down a little bit right here, but for the time being, it's just all right. The RSI, a lot of people always go, oh my gosh, the RSI is pinging off the charts. The stock's too high. What are we going to do? The RSI needs to reset itself. Well, here you go. The RSI has reset itself. It's now right here in the middle. You know, it's not oversold. It's not overbought, more or less. It's ready. If the bulls take the reins, the stock is now ready to move forward into positive territory again. One last thing. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so this line, this represents today's action. You know, this is yesterday, but the dotted line is, and this is today, the solid whitish line. So yesterday, you see, we're like bang, bang, bang out the gates, looking good. Then we started coming down. We came to the support, and like I said earlier, look at it bounced off the support and went up. Today, it dropped just below that support, but you can see it was fighting to get back up there. It's fighting, like, you know, again, plus or minus, it's definitely fighting right here. And then towards the end of the day, you know, the bulls just kind of lost strength, and you know, the bears just really try to push this thing down. But again, you know, we're at that support of 0205. So again, guys, nothing to freak out about. Another thing too, here on the 15-minute chart, you can see that the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten up a little bit. When the Bollinger Bands tighten up, a lot of times you know, the stock starts to move up in the other direction. Well, I mean, in one direction or another, it means that you know, a change in direction is coming. So again, I'll let you guys look at this one more time and remind you that we have moved really well. We've had 2 down days, guys. You're not going to be millionaires overnight. You're not going to be getting those M3s overnight. You're not going to be buying those houses overnight. This is the penny stock world where dreams are made and shattered. So be smart about your trade. VIIC seems to have a lot of good stuff in the pipe. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope no one goes crying. You know, I hope this was really helpful. I hope you guys learned something. I encourage everyone to do their own DD. All this video is just all in my opinion. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm hoping for a nice bounce tomorrow where we can just continue to move forward and we can be celebrating into the weekend. Again, congratulations to all my followers who have been alerted way down here and who have probably banked some good money. I know a lot of people following on Twitter have traded, but at the same time are holding a nice core position and looking to get ready to get back into the stock is what I'm hearing. So let's hope for a great day tomorrow, guys. Good luck to everyone, and God bless. Oh, and follow me on Twitter at MyPennyGoBoom. Give me a follow here on YouTube, and give me a follow on iHub as well. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a good day.